Good morning, everyone. This is the day. It's so exciting. I have LarryBoy here, and this is the day that he gets moved. Having him transported to Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what's gonna happen to him exactly in the end, but I want to make him watertight and then do what things I can to improve his condition, and then the other cosmetic things I'll try to do myself or, with help once we get it straightened out. But I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I'm going to go in there and wipe them down one last time. And we moved everything out. And just, okay, I'll keep you posted. I know I'll link these videos together, and then you'll see when the transport company comes and pulls him up on the flatbed. Hopefully that goes smoothly. It started raining last night, so the ground is wet, and over here it tends to be a little muddy and soft, so hopefully there won't be a lot of complications with that. But let's go inside and get him tidied up a little bit. He's here. Da, 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 da. Right. So the tow needed a tow, and now I was driving this truck to pull him out, which I did, and now I'm gonna pull LarryBoy out to the road because I have I have four-wheel drive, and he has two-wheel drive. So it's been an adventure. Never a dull moment, right? Never.
When you go out that way, I'm gonna hook it to my trailer, and we'll have you back on it. Oh. So I'll be
Okay.
If you, yeah. All right. You go out to the road.
Go out.
Straighten your wheels. There you go. Oh, you got it. Go. You got it. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Don't stop. There ain't no traffic. You good. Keep going.
No, that was the bar. Keep going. It's good.
All right, straighten your wheel. So far, so good, Trent. Yep. Come on back. All right, straighten your wheel.
Straight.
Come back level.
Straight.
Yeah, right there. Yep, come on back. All right.
Beast mode. That's me. I did it. Crazy,
Okay, you say
right?
something?
Crazy work. Mimi.
No, sir, it's just the top, sir.
Larry boy. I got him up there. Got beat up, but yes. Okay, Mendel.
See y'all later.
He's going off with Larry boy. Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Farewell, Larry boy. See you in a couple of months. He's headed your way, Mike.